I'm going to show you 6 vastly different ways that will change the way you shop and find coupons on Amazon forever. So feel free to use chapters down below if you want to skip around on this video, because what I'm about to show you is none of those fake coupon codes that don't work 95% of the time, and let's be honest, are information harvesting. So the first way to find legitimate coupon codes on Amazon's website is you just want to type in Amazon's coupon page. When you type this in, depending on your country, you just want to scroll down past the sponsored ads, and you want to click on Amazon's official page, where you can actually see the official deals by Amazon on this page. And you can even filter this by department in the left side of the screen, whether you want this to be baby products, automotives, electronics. Now, you can't really find specific coupon codes for certain products using this method, but this just basically refreshes and filters in and out every day with a bunch of new deals that you can actually just filterize by certain departments, so you can actually find extremely cheap items on certain things that you may want. And the second way we can actually find working coupon codes with Amazon is you can get this honeycomb extension. Now what it does is it finds discount codes that actually work, just scours every single website, and will apply those coupon codes to whatever you're trying to buy on Amazon. Now it doesn't really matter what it is, it'll just look everywhere for a coupon code and basically take that code from a legitimate website, a code that legitimately works. And you can see when you're about to check out with whatever item you need, all you can do to find working promo codes is you go to this puzzle piece top right hand corner, click on honey, scroll down, and you can see it'll offer all of these promo codes. In this case, I'm just going to click on this, it'll copy, and you paste the code in here and click on apply, and the code will successfully be applied. And keep in mind, those are all custom to whatever you are looking for on Amazon. As you can see, that just saved me about $6 on that screen, which is actually pretty dang good. And the third way to find extremely good discount deals on Amazon is you can go to this website called SlickDeals, and when you type in SlickDeals Amazon just on your browser, we're going to go to the first link that is official, that's not a sponsored, and you can actually see on this page it will filter products that are only available on Amazon at the moment for extreme discounts. You can see right here some of these items are on crazy discounts, like some of these are on 50% off or like 200% off even. But basically, you can see you can't filter any of these, but all of these products are currently, you can actually search for them on Amazon. Like right now, if we go over to the website and pick this roll of tape, for example, like if we pick this man's khaki, for example, you can see it's by Amazon right here. And if we just pop over to the Amazon website and just type this in like so, you can actually see that this discount is actually available on Amazon. And you can basically find products on this website right here. Just keep in mind, you can't really filter them. You kind of just have to go through each tab to actually see what's on extreme discount offers. But once you actually find something that you want to look for, just like buy on Amazon for an extreme discount, if there's something you're looking for, you just copy the item and go for a search on Amazon. And you can actually see we found this extremely good offer, and just all of these are available on Amazon like so. And that's the third way to find really, really good discounts on Amazon. And the fourth way to find legitimate wheels verified by Amazon is you can go to some of these websites such as Retail Me Not right here, which will basically have a ton of expired deals, but you can just try a bunch of them until you find one that works on Amazon, and will even allow you to get some cash back, so you can just get major deals and major discounts on your Amazon purchases. You can even do coupons.com, which has coupons for certain items, just like the first thing I showed you, which was Amazon's official deals for each day that are rotating at times. SlickDeals, which I showed you, and Brad's deals, which are basically curated Amazon deals with links. Now, all of these things don't have direct coupon codes, just because direct coupon codes 95% of the time do not work when it comes to just applying them on certain products. But basically what you can do is you can try all of these websites right here, and again, the best thing that you can actually do to find these legitimate deals on Amazon, and by far the most effective way to find them, is you can actually just go into Amazon coupon page, just type this in, and you scroll down and you go on today's deals, and when you click on this, you can see it's already filtered by coupons over here. And basically you can filter these by department if you want to see any of these major deals. Now if you want like a coupon code for, let's just say, some earplugs or just any random item in general, you can probably attempt to find it on this page. There's no guarantee you'll be able to find a working coupon code if you just type in Amazon coupon codes just on the internet. So yeah, I just recommend going through this page, and you can even control F it just just on the page and type in whatever you need. And as you can see, it may or may not come up, but that's like the best way you can actually find legitimate working coupon codes on Amazon. And finally, here's the fifth and potentially best way to actually find these coupons and legitimate Amazon discounts. So the first thing you want to do is you just want to type in Keepa Chrome extension, and you can only get it on Chrome or Firefox or any browser like that. And you can basically just click on this add option right here. It'll just say add to Chrome, and when you add your extension like so, we can basically open it by going to the puzzle piece in the top right hand corner of the screen and clicking on Keepa, which is basically an Amazon price tracker, which you can basically go into the search bar. This just functions as the normal Amazon website. You can even log in if you want to. I'm not, but you can basically search for any product. Let's just say I want to search for tennis balls right here, and when you search for the product on Amazon, like if I was searching for this direct Wilson tennis ball, this 24 can 72 ball pack right here, you can basically click on it and actually see all of the price information, which is extremely cool. Like you can see the price fluctuate over time, like you can see in the last week. You can filter it by month and so on just by going into the graph settings in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And you can choose what you want the history to be, whether you want it to be monthly or just like the price history of a certain set period of time. And as you can see, currently it's relatively cheap, it looks like, compared to a few months ago at least. And it will also show you the different prices of used items on Amazon, as well as buying them from warehouses or just on different discount websites in general if you were to buy them in bulk, for example. Now, this is a really good thing to look at if you want to be an avid price tracker. You can see the date down here. You can change it by year if you want to say. You can see they're actually really cheap right now, surprisingly. Or you can filter it by the day and week if you were to buy these just to wait a day or tomorrow or so on. But the final way to actually view discounts on Amazon is you can actually go into Amazon Resale. You just want to type this on your browser, and you can see we want to go to the official Amazon website, where from here you can actually see this is basically what this is it's a bunch of products that people have returned on Amazon, and you can actually find some major discounts even though they're in extreme pristine conditions. Just they're on this website because Amazon could not resell them just because they weren't brand new, and people want to buy the brand new thing every time. So if you just go to the search bar, you can actually just search for, if I wanted to buy a tennis ball, like again, you can actually see if we scroll down, we can see all of these returned items right here just on extreme discounts. And you can actually copy one of these and actually paste it in the normal Amazon, not resale Amazon, to actually see what it would go for on normal Amazon if you were just wondering how much the price of a new versus slightly used item actually varies. And another cool thing about Amazon Resale is you can scroll down and you can actually just shop by category once again. Now, this is if you're looking for something in general, not something super specific. You can see we can click on these. They're used just slightly, but there's barely any difference, and you can see what is actually selling and what's not. And they're just on major discounts in general. So this is probably the best way to actually find these coupon links, because you can actually just search a broad range of items just through the entire range of Amazon if someone's already bought the item that you wanted and returned it just because who knows what reason. But you can basically get on this website. They won't be reselling ones that are in poor condition. So yeah, just really easy to use and just probably the best way by far to actually find these great Amazon return items. But if you found this video helpful, please leave a like down below, and yeah, have a great day.